Hi friends, welcome back. I'm Barbara and we're at my home sweet home. Today I'm sharing these NatraCure vented moisturizing gel heel sleeves in royal blue. And this set comes with 3 pairs, which I love because you can keep one on your bed, one at your bedside, and one in your bathroom, and then one in your travel bag. These are made for dry, rough heels. And what makes them different is the smart gel pad right at the heel. It's really awesome. As you wear them, that gel is designed to release skin-loving oils and vitamins, including vitamin E, plus ingredients like shea butter and aloe vera. So your heels feel more comfortable and more moisturized over time. And because they're vented and breathable, you can wear them during the day without feeling like your whole foot is trapped. I am a person who doesn't care for socks, so these were a good choice for me personally. I also really like the half sock style so my toes can feel exposed so they don't get overheated. For fit, I'm a woman size 7 and I wear a regular and they fit me great. Snug in a good way. They're not snug at all. There's room to stretch if need be for bigger feet, and they stay put. I've been wearing them for about a week now and my heels are already feeling noticeably smoother. My best tip is consistency. Wear them regularly, and if you want a little extra spa at home moment, you can pair them with your favorite foot cream before you slip them on. And a friendly reminder, I'm an Amazon influencer, which means I may earn a small commission when you purchase through my link at no extra cost to you. Your support helps me keep creating cozy, helpful reviews just like this one. Thank you so much. I appreciate you.